In this channel, we will make Japanese baby food that is focused on baby's health and sense of food in the future. I want to share this with you. Let's make it! Hello, nice to see you, Mama. I'm Kana. Today we are gonna make a broccoli puree for first stage of baby food. Today we're gonna use this big broccoli for your food. Broccoli is yellow-green vegetable and it's suitable for building your body. It's so nutritious. Broccoli is one of the well-balanced vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It's especially rich in nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B, and iron. For example, 100 of broccoli of vitamin C is more than twice of 100 grams of lemon juice. Wow, it's so a lot. So broccoli has a lot of vitamin C. It's top class of vegetables. Broccoli contains iron as much as spinach too. So it's build a strong body like Popeye. I'm talking about the broccoli allergy. There are few reports of allergy for the broccoli. If your baby gets broccoli allergy, like swelling, itching, or red spot of around the mouth, or vomiting, and pain the stomach, it's like the allergies infections. I think it's few reports, so few chance of the broccoli allergy is happen. Also, broccoli is cauliflower family. So cauliflower family is like cabbage or daikon, radish. It's also cauliflower family. So if your baby gets broccoli allergy, they might get allergy. They eat cabbage or radish like cauliflower family too. So watch out the allergies. Also, I recommend when you give the first vegetable to your baby, I always recommend just 1 tablespoon start. Then you see how he reacts. This is really important for the allergies too. Okay, let's make it broccoli puree. Today we're gonna make broccoli puree for first stage of the baby food. So first stage we just use flour, not of the stem. Stem we can use from second or third stage of the baby food. So we just use the flour today. Just the flour. Okay. Then I'm gonna wash this. So let's wash. Pour the hot water on the big pan. Okay, let's wait till boil. So broccoli peak is spring season, but you can also use frozen broccoli too, but I recommend a fresh one. So spring season is the peak of the broccoli, so it's gonna be so sweet and it's so bright color of the green. But you can find the broccoli around the year in the market. Okay, it's boiled. Okay, I'm gonna put flour. I cut the stem for the baby weanings. Ray can chewing this, so I'm gonna boil this too. So it's boiled for about 3 minutes until it gets soft to enough grind. Okay, timer on 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, I add 2 more minutes because I want it to more soft. So I'm gonna stop like it right now. Then drink the water. Like this. Before it gets cold, I'm gonna grind this. I'm gonna grind with strainer like this. You don't need to worry about the stem, small stem. You just grind the flour part like this. I think Ray is hungry. Okay, so I ground it like this. We're gonna use this part. Okay, so broccoli puree is done like this. So I'm gonna give it to him. Also, I'm gonna cool down the stem for the baby runnings. Okay, so if you wanna make a bunch of the paste, you can always use blender too. So before itadakimasu time today, I'm gonna show you his condition right now. He has some red rash on his cheek right now. So I think this is not allergy, just from the doodle. But I researched that, and sometimes allergies happen from the skin because his face is rushing and then from the skin sometimes it causes of the food allergy. So I'm gonna put baby Vaseline on his brush to protect the allergy. It's going to his body. ブロッコリー食べようか。はい、いただきます。So first I'm gonna give him broccoli stem for the baby weaning. How's the taste? ちょっと苦いかな。He's wondering what is that? It's broccoli. Okay, he starts to play. Okay, let's eat. So I'm gonna give broccoli puree. He's using his first broccoli puree. Okay, I'm gonna mix with rice porridge. Maybe he can eat easier than just broccoli puree. Like this with rice porridge. So today we made the broccoli puree, green yellow vegetable, which is so nutritious. I think it's so easy to make. I think he liked it. Also, I boiled 3 minutes, but I add 2 minutes to enough salt. I think you make salt for the boiling. It's gonna be easy to grind too. So broccoli has a lot of vitamin C. I surprised it's twice of the lemon juice too. So it's great for the summer food. Did you like it, Ray? 美味しかった。美味しかったね。Ray ate a lot of vegetable right now, so I'm gonna move to protein section for the fast food stage of the baby food. So I'm gonna make more healthy Japanese baby food from the next time too. Thank you for watching today, and see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.